Hello you guys, I am here to talk about this amazing, beautiful topper. This is all human hair. This is called Breeze and she's absolutely gorgeous. She has a full lace front. You can see right here, so you can part her wherever you want, right, left, middle. Look at this color. Oh, absolutely beautiful. This is dusty ash brown. I'm gonna show you. This is what makes it amazing. This is a halo wire. And so what you're gonna do with the halo wire is this gives extra security for your topper, and I'm gonna show you how this works, okay? So you're gonna take it facing, so this part is facing outward, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna take the halo wire and put it kind of behind your clip. Then you're gonna take this and you're gonna flip it back like this, okay? So once we have it flipped back, you're gonna reach back behind, take the clip out, okay? Now you've got her on and adjusted. Now you're gonna open up your clips and you're gonna clip her on like you would a normal topper, okay? So now I have it all clipped on. I want you guys to see, look at that hairline. Like, can you even tell? Now, a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll take their bio hair out and they will mix it in. I don't have a whole lot of bio hair, which is fine. So I wear it more like a wig, which is totally fine. And that's the greatest part about toppers, and especially with the halo wire, is it literally stays on. And you've got that extra protection, not just from the clips, but you have it from the wire. Look at that, look at that. It's so gorgeous. Am I kidding you or what? Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna show you the side. Okay, and the back. So pretty, right? The greatest part about this is 130% density. It's got the 4 clips. Look, not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It's great. You can do all kinds of stuff with the topper. You can take the sides and you can kind of put it up in a little clip. You could put her back in a low ponytail. Look how cute. You know what I mean? Maybe take the sides down. Look how cute. I usually like to do like a little ear tuck, and if I could do a good ear tuck like this, I'm in heaven. I love it. Breeze is the bomb. I love her. She's absolutely gorgeous. Look at, I could just brush her right through, no problem. It's not moving. It's not going anywhere. She's on my, and I didn't have to use any glue. You can if you want to, because there is a little lace right here, but you can, but I don't need to. So this is Breeze by UniWigs.